my loves, what's up and welcome back to the Trend Diaries. I'm Nidhi and we are finally in October. This makes me super happy because it's my birthday month and we also have so many festivals this time. We have Diwali and I also have my brother-in-law's wedding. So I thought why not to give myself a new look, a transformation. So why not color my hair, and what could be better than coloring my hair at home? And when it comes to coloring my hair all by myself at home, without a second thought, I chose Garnier's Color Natural Crème Rich Hair Color because firstly, this is super simple and convenient to use. It has a no-ammonia crème formula which gives intense color that is long lasting up to 10 weeks, and it also nourishes the hair. So what could be better, right? Now selecting the correct shade has always been a task, but now you can ease the process by simply using the virtual try-on tool. Like literally it's the simplest way to pick the right shade. It lets you try different shades on their virtual try-on using your selfie camera. The color I chose is 5.32 caramel brown, which I thought would be the perfect color for me this festive season. But before starting the application, do not forget to take the allergy test or a patch test 24 hours prior coloring your hair. It is very simple. Simply take the colorant on the earbud and apply it behind your ear and leave it on for 24 hours untouched. If you do not notice any irritation or allergy in this area, then you're good to go. I've removed all of my jewelry and I'll wrap a towel around my shoulders, and I would also apply petroleum jelly around my hairline to avoid any stains on my skin. So let's start. I've put my gloves on and now I would simply mix the developer and the colorant in a glass bowl in 1:1 ratio. Make sure you're using a non-metallic bowl to do so. Now simply just mix it and let the color develop. Now I like to have a smooth gradient starting from my natural hair color to the new color that we are applying. So what I do is use my fingers at the roots and blend the color to give me that gradient look. Now as I do have long hair, I'll quickly partition them into sections and then work my way out. once you're done coloring your hair, leave it on for 30 minutes. Post that, wash your hair with water and then apply the conditioner that came in your pack and rinse your hair again. Now I would do all of that and be right back to reveal the final color, and I'm super excited. Oh my god, just look how gorgeous this hair color looks. This turned out to be super good than what I expected. Such a beautiful soft brown color. Oh my god, I am just loving the way my hair has turned out. And all of this at just rupees 180, and it turned out exactly how they claimed it to be. It had no ammonia. It has made my hair super soft and shiny, plus that nourishing hair color is gonna last for 10 weeks. And that's not all, it has also covered up my grays. I'm like super happy. All of this at just rupees 180. Like, yes, the Garnier Color Naturals Crème Rich Hair Color comes in two base prices, which is so much more affordable as compared to the others available out there. It comes in two base prices. The larger one retails for 180 rupees, while you do get a smaller pack which retails for just 89 rupees. Just like a steal deal, right? I personally loved this hair color and the final result. Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below, and you can find the link to this product mentioned in the description box. Do check that out, and a big shout out to Garnier for collaborating with me for today's video, and we shall meet soon in the next one. Till then, take care, namaste, and keep trending.